Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your hub for high-performance tech reviews. Today, we're exploring a rugged, industrial-grade networking solution, the IGS-10020HPT Industrial Managed Switch. Designed for harsh environments, this switch is perfect for factories, outdoor surveillance, transportation systems, or any setup that demands reliability under extreme conditions. The IGS-10020HPT packs 8 Gigabit 10-100-1000T PoE and ports compliant with 802.3 IT, meaning each port can deliver up to 30 W of power. That's enough to handle multiple IP cameras, access points, or other PoE-powered devices without needing extra adapters. A total PoE budget ensures your critical devices stay powered and connected. For uplinks, it features 2 Gigabit SFP ports providing flexibility for fiber connectivity and high-speed backbone integration. Whether you're connecting remote switches or core network segments, these ports give you reliable throughput and extend your network reach. Unlike consumer switches, this is a fully managed L2+ switch. You get advanced features such as VLAN, QoS, port aggregation, IGMP snooping, ACL, and PoE scheduling, essential tools for controlling traffic, prioritizing important data, and keeping your network secure. Industrial reliability is a key selling point. The IGS-10020HPT supports a wide operating temperature range, allowing it to function in environments from cold warehouses to hot outdoor enclosures. It's durable. Metal enclosure protects against dust, vibrations, and other environmental hazards. Security and uptime are also priorities. With features like 802.1x port authentication, DOS protection, and storm control, your network remains secure and stable even in demanding setups. The Fanless design ensures silent operation and reduces maintenance requirements, while DIN rail or wall mount compatibility provides versatile installation options. If you're looking for a rugged, intelligent, and reliable PoE and switch for industrial or outdoor environments, the IGS-10020HPT is a perfect fit. Plug in your devices, configure your traffic, and enjoy consistent, high-speed connectivity under any conditions. Check out the link in the description to grab yours. And as always, hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell for more professional-grade tech reviews, only here on Gadgetverse.